Okay, here we're looking over the Nightmare Before Christmas Oogie Boogie Nutcracker. Nice, well packaged in foam and plastic to protect it in shipping. I got this at Walt Disney World, and there he is. Look at this. Holding the package. The top of the package has a skull, real ribbons. Look at that. Nice fluffy beard. Cool hat. And the body looks like it's a fabric, but it's not. It's the resin made. Nice candy cane. See if I can get a better shot of this resin. See that? Yeah, it looks good. Has, makes it look like it's a gunny sack or a potato sack. Here's the back side. There we go. Right there, that's the lever to move the mouth, crack nuts. I'll show you how to use that in a minute here. Standing on a game board. There's the stitching. Got some worms coming out of the side of his leg. There we go. There's everything on the game board there. Tricks and treats. Alright. And here we go. We got worms in his mouth right there. But this is how you open his mouth, open and close his mouth rather, to crack nuts. Right there. Pull up on the lever, opens and closes. Pretty nice.